Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Okay, welcome back at another RESTful API lecture. In this lecture, we are going to delete a record on the basis of ID. Okay, again we want to delete the record on the basis of ID, and this should be colon. Okay, again we have to mm, call the same student dot find by ID and remove, and here we have to find the ID request dot prams dot ID and exec. Okay, this is having a callback function that having a two parameter, again error and result. Okay, and again we have to say display data here, so we have to say status, and that is I give there JSON. Here we have to display the information result. Okay, and status is 200. Again same kind of problem we also have, here. What, suppose we are deleting a record on the basis of ID and it will still display the record, but we want the result that data should be after removing this. So again we have to call this function here inside. Okay, no need this, and in place of ID we have to give find, because all the record we have to display here which are available, because we are deleting a record. So after deleting the record we have some records available, those records will be displayed here. So you see the result. Okay, now come here and suppose I, first of all I want to see the number of records are available here. Remove this. Okay, so we have these records, three records. Now I want to delete this my Vipin record, so I take the ID and I put this ID here. Okay, and here I have to check the delete one, and then I will send this. After sending this, so two records are available. Okay, now this can you also delete this one also, so you can delete this one, replace it and send. Only one record is available. Okay, again if you call this, so this is not, only one record is available because this record have been deleted. So like this we can use the delete routes also. So we have completed all the routes. In future lectures I will show you how to handle error in error handling. Okay, and some more concepts in future lectures.